Black Death Airsoft here, and today we'll be reviewing the hexmags. Don't know what company they're from, I forget, because I ordered them a while ago. But each one holds 300 rounds, and you can change that orange thing so you know what weight BB you have to different colors or anything. But they look awesome in my opinion, versus a standard metal M4 M16 mag. The slide opens and you fill it up. Right here you push down, and it's one of the winding ones. So you do like that. And then to release it, you just push the button right there. And I did get 3 of these. So so right here that'll hold 900 rounds, and I have another 300 round regular mag for my Lancer Tactical LT19T, so I can hold a little, like 1,200 rounds.